Picture this: a warm breeze kisses your skin as you stroll along a powdery beach in the middle of November. While much of the world bundles up for winter, Aruba offers a sun-drenched escape that feels like an endless summer. But before you pack your bags and book your flight, let's take a closer look at what November in Aruba is really like, and how to pack smart for it. November marks the tail end of Aruba's so-called rainy season. But don't let that label fool you. Aruba sits outside the hurricane belt, making it one of the safest bets for Caribbean travel this time of year. Rain showers do happen, but they're usually short, refreshing, and followed by sunshine. The average daytime temperature hovers around 86 degrees Fahrenheit, 30 degrees Celsius, with warm evenings perfect for al fresco dining by the sea. What really sets Aruba apart in November is the balance. It's warm but not scorching, breezy but not stormy. You'll find fewer crowds than in the peak winter months, which means better hotel rates, more serene beaches, and an authentic island experience. It's the sweet spot for travelers who want ideal weather without the bustle. So, how should you pack? Think light and airy. Breathable fabrics like cotton and linen will be your best friends. Bring swimsuits for the beach, a light cover-up for breezy evenings, and something a little dressy for a romantic night out. Don't forget a wide-brimmed hat, reef-safe sunscreen, and sunglasses. Sun protection is a must, even with the occasional clouds. And yes, pack a compact umbrella or a lightweight rain jacket for those quick tropical showers. Traveling in November also means being ready for spontaneity. One minute you're sunbathing in Eagle Beach, the next you're exploring the colorful streets of San Nicolas or joining a local festival. Aruba's vibrant energy doesn't take a season off. Ready to chase the sun in November? Aruba is calling. What would be the one item you can't travel without in Aruba? Share it with us in the comments.